I remember she said something like, I like to work out. So she made herself noticed at the table right away, even though she was across. Right away, I saw her and noticed her right away and made note that this is somebody that I want to connect with and definitely get a number. So.
Right, so we're sitting here with Whitney and Picard. You guys met?
Yeah. Yes, at the first social.
So why don't you tell me, Whitney, how you guys actually met and how you came about this whole thing?
Well, it was at the first social, and she was the second table in from the entrance, coming in from the elevator. So basically, when my interpreter was describing, what I was looking for, what I wanted, and things about me in kind of a minute dialogue to all the ladies at each table. And during that, I think once or twice, she piped up. I remember she said something like, I like to work out. So she made herself noticed at the table right away, even though she was across. Right away, I saw her and noticed her right away and made note that this is somebody that I want to connect with and definitely get a number. So after our time at the table, which was about 8 minutes or so, give or take, I know we exchanged numbers, our line numbers, and took a really nice picture. And then she sent me, when did you send me that note?
No, I sent you my pictures, yeah, to make you remember me. And then I said, I'm not sure because maybe you have seen so many girls, so I sent you this picture to make you remember me, something like that. Yeah, and he was texting me in the morning to ask me out for breakfast. I did everything so fast. It's like 45 minutes, right? Yeah. To come here, to take a shower, everything is 45 minutes. Yeah, to go to meet him for breakfast.
Yeah, I mean, that's one thing that stood out also, is that she's just was open about coming to meet me, right away. Not in a hurry, but like I said, I texted for breakfast and she showed up at the hotel 45 minutes later, even though she lives a 15-minute cab right away. So,
yes.
And we had a little walk, and I think for me, it's almost like as soon as we sat down to breakfast, it's just so easy to talk to her, and it just felt so natural.
Yes, we talk a lot on first day. Even now, we still talk a lot.
Yeah, we'll find. Breakfast, we sat around for an hour or so, and then we went to the Starbucks at, what's that mall name?
Terminal 21.
Yeah, we sat in the Starbucks for like another 2.5 hours, basically till we ran out of time. I think we each had to be somewhere.
Yes.
And then promised to get back later, which we did. And we've spent almost every day at one point or another since last Saturday. I think yesterday was the only day we didn't see one another, and I didn't like that. So now where are we going?
Pattaya.
Yeah, we're going to Pattaya for the weekend.
Yes.
So let me ask you, what brought you to come to the event?
First, I got to have a boyfriend, and I saw him for the first time. I feel like, wow, he's my type. Yeah, he looks so good. He looks fit. I can see that he take care of his body very well. Yeah, he must work out a lot. So when he sits to my table, I try to talk to him. Yeah, to ask him what he likes to do, something like that. Yeah, and that time I'm really not sure he can remember me or not. Yeah.
So I just got a couple more questions for you.
Yeah.
How do you like Bangkok?
I love it. I can't wait to come back. Of course, come back to see her as soon as I can. I've got further plans to, spend more time here in the future. As hopefully my work career runs down, maybe buy a property here. That's kind of my long-term plan. So really, it's been so busy in the environment because it provided me so many opportunities to meet people that I really haven't done as much tourist stuff as I'd like to. So definitely coming back, I will get to see more. I'd like to come back, it comes back and just kind of hang around and see what happens to the guys, because it's been fun to be with these guys and then also meet all these great ladies here and then have such a supportive staff as well.
How do you like all the clients that?
Well, here's, I think I like them. I've met a lot of really neat, well-educated, interesting ladies. One attribute that stands out for Thai women, especially, is they work hard.
I was trying to ask you about like the men. The other men.
Oh, the clients. Okay, yeah. Sometimes I get mixed up with that. So the guys are great. We all kind of bonded as a group and supported one another. Tried to give advice where we could. Some guys are older, had different perspectives than me, which is I'm one of the younger guys. But definitely it's something for all ages to come and show up. You'll find an opportunity. There's an incredible variety of women to find and date.
Did you make some new friends?
I did. Like, we've got a little West Coast, Western United States contingent. But really, I think if I was in any of the cities where the guys were and we're staying connected, I'd feel probably welcome to go sit down, have a beer with them, see what's going on. Some of us, have partners. It'd be great to get together so the ladies can visit too, and share notes with one another.
Do you feel like your search may be hopeless? Check out our website at
mydreamasian.com.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.